My name is Franco, and my major is human-computer interactions. My UAT experience overall has been fun. I've been learning a lot, and the people and colleagues around me are people that are next level and help you get that extra kick compared to other schools. I've been enjoying it a lot. A favorite professor that I would have would be Matthew Prater. He's a really cool guy, and he's always been right there to help out any moment I need it. I could text him literally at like 12 at night, and he'll be there to answer my questions for coding or anything that's circuits too. Well, after graduation, I'm trying to look into getting into WAYMO, which are self-driving cars. I've always been a car guy myself, and I've always loved that next level, having self-autonomous vehicles and no more accidents if everything turns into like a grid kind of system or style. That'd be my next level, but if not, then anywhere I can go since I'm HCI. My advice would be just go for it. The time that you sit down and think about it and stress about it is not worth it. It's better to just go for it, experience it, and if you don't like it the first couple of semesters, it's okay to get out. It's not that bad. And if you want to move forward, you can find new trails through there. It helps you out instead of just standing still and thinking about it too long.